So here we are at the beach and I'm using the FULAIM microphones again. This is what I'm going to be using for the most part with the GoPro, just to get the best audio quality. But this is how it sounds. I'm at the beach. It's pretty windy. It's not crazy windy as I thought it was going to be, but good enough to put this microphone to the test. So now this is how it sounds when I'm using the Rode Videomic Go 2. And like I said, I know it's a little bit further away, so there's probably going to be a lot more wind noise. It's definitely not going to be as clear, but it will be interesting to see how it sounds. Weirdly enough, you're not picking up the top of this microphone actually in the camera angle at all, so it's interesting to see how it would sound. Even in wide mode you don't pick it up, but when I'm doing these kind of videos I like being in linear because I don't like the warpy edges. Alright, so last, here is the built-in Media Mod shotgun microphone, and I'm sure it's going to be the worst, but I had to do it. It's obligatory. When you buy the Media Mod, it's a selling feature, so why not test it out? So here's how it sounds. This is with the FULAIM microphone. The next I'm going to use the little Rode Wireless Go 2 and see how this sounds when it's on the GoPro with the Media Mod, and then actually test out the Media Mod microphone and see if it's worth using at all. So this is the GoPro 11 with the Media Mod and the Rode Go 2 microphone on top of it. And the one reason I don't think I'm going to use it as much is, even though I'm using this for vlogging, because I'm using the GoPro in linear mode, the camera itself is a little bit further away from me than when I'd even be using something like my FX30 to vlog. So the microphone isn't as close, which means the audio quality isn't going to be as crisp. But who knows? I could be wrong. You'll be listening to it as I'm listening to it in the edit bay. So we'll see how this thing sounds, but I wanted to test it out. Lastly, here is the GoPro Media Mod using the internal microphone, the forward-facing microphone, and not the rear-facing. Because from what I understand, the forward-facing is the best audio quality. And even so, for the kinds of videos I doubt I'm going to be using this microphone. I'm sure you're going to be hearing a lot more wind noise, distortion, all that stuff. But of course, I had to test it out because part of the Media Mod is that it has this built-in microphone that's supposed to deliver better audio quality. Do I think it's better audio quality than the GoPro itself? Absolutely. It's just not close to professional audio quality. This is the GoPro 11 with the Media Mod and the clear winning audio setup, which is the FULAIM X5 wireless lav. Using the wireless lav with the GoPro just makes the most sense. It is obviously, after listening to all the different microphones, including the Go 2, which I have right here, the cleanest audio you're going to get when using the GoPro, the clearest audio, and it works really great when using voice isolation. Now, I used voice isolation for all three microphones, but this, using the wireless lav with the X5, and it's pretty much going to work the same with a lot of different lavs. If you're not using the X5, you're using like a DJI mic, or you're using one of the Rode Wireless Go's. But using a wireless lav is going to make the most sense. And as you can see, it makes the profile of the GoPro 11 extremely small, even with the Media Mod on. So I think that's kind of the way I'm going to go. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you have any questions about this setup, I am going to be doing a full review on what I'm calling the ultimate GoPro setup if you're trying to turn this thing into a video camera. So stay tuned. Make sure to hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell to keep up to date with the latest videos from the channel. And I'll also put a link to this video whenever it comes out in the description as well. So thank you for joining me, everybody. Until next time, my name's Geoff Fagien, and I will see you in the next video.